KIV here. Now I'm gonna rebuild Paris Saint-Germain, but using failed and succeeds transfer. Left side equals failed transfer. Right side equals succeeds transfer. Here we go. This is my first lineup. Many changes from original squad. Mikaya and Ramos will do it together. Can't believe I do that. Keep here in the goalie. Shorbatokolas in the left wing back. Gravenberch, who newly transferred, already get benched. Nagelsmann doesn't want him. Eden Hazard failed at Real. Giro France in front. Grisi and Mbappe. Griezmann is failed at Barca. Modric, who is a Ballon d'Or winner, almost be a failed transfer back then. Simming moments later. Won the league. Trophy DS champions collected. Knockout in quarter-final of Coupe de France. And Nantes win it against Montpellier. Last in round of 16 against Chelsea. Mbappe top scorer League 1 with 34 goals. Season 2. First Messi retire. Let's find a replacement. Dybala, another Argentina great at Juve. We signed Tomori. He is great at Milan. Of course, this man Paul Pogba. Transfer done, let's go into the result. Mbappe finish as top scorer, 50 goals. Pogba finish as top assister. Knockout. Lille win it. Lost it 1-0. Sorry, I forgot to screenshot. The Champions League. Season 3. I think KP is the problem, so I signed. Courtois another Chelsea goalie. And Xavier Simons. He is back to us. Win the league. Lost the Coupe de France. Lost again. But Champions League final. Can we win it? Here we go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
85 minutes. Half the score. Must be a winning goal.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Here we go. Rebuild done. Goodbye.